Our bathroom pocket door just began dragging on the floor, about 4 inches before fully closing. Let's raise the door. This repair kit contains spare parts and an adjustment wrench. At the top of the door are the track and rollers. The rollers run inside the track. The mounts attach to the top of the door, and the two attach like so. This is the height adjustment screw. Turning it clockwise will raise the door. And that's where the handy dandy wrench comes into play. Placing a shim of some sort will take the weight off the screw. Now the hard part. Placing the wrench on the screw and turning it clockwise. It will take some trial and error to get the job done. Bending and changing the angle of the wrench may be of help. And don't forget to check the operation of the door latch.